Trinidad and Tobago is a true melting pot of cultures. Out of this pot, our unique flavors come to life. I'm Renee, and here on Simply Local, we cook some of our favorite local recipes or put a Trini spin on international cuisine. So join me on Simply Local as we celebrate food from a Trinbagonian's perspective. Hi guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I'm not in the kitchen today, I'm outside and we're gonna do a barbecue. It's the season finale and I have Anthony here and he's gonna help me. He's from Uncle Tony's Smokery. So just tell me a little bit more Uncle Tony's and what you'll do there.
We specialize in smoked meats. We do a lot of different items, but smoked meats and fish are what we're known for. Okay, great. And we can't have a barbecue today without our ribs. So Anthony's here. He's gonna do the ribs with me. So just walk me through the little steps with ribs. Right. Well, we have some ribs. We're gonna apply a dry rub to them. Then we're gonna actually wrap them tight in foil, stick them in the oven for about 90 minutes. That allows them to steam and keep all the juices and keep them really moist and flavorful. And then we're going to finish them off on the grill. Finish them off the grill, put some sauce on it, get it sticky. Okay,
nice. And we also have some lovely garlic bread. We have some potato salad with our help from our brand cuisine, right? As well as some garlic bread. So let's get started. Yeah. So the first part that we're going to do, we're going to rub the pork, right? Yeah. And I have some cuisine product here. We have the cuisine succulent burger, right? Yeah. And we have some brown sugar here. So it's simple. I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna just rub it. And then after we're gonna start with the sauce, right?
Yep, correct.
Right, so I'm just gonna take it and just rub it all over. I have the brown sugar here.
Lovely. So we're gonna we do the rub and preferably let it marinate a little bit. And then we're gonna wrap it tightly in foil. Okay. Sometimes even 2 layers of foil.
Oh, okay.
Really tight to keep those juices and keep all
the
air
moisture
inside.
in. Okay, great.
And we're gonna stick it in the oven actually. So it's not going straight on the grill. If you put it on the grill, you need to do an indirect heat and it needs to go for 4 hours and it's too much. It's too much. It's tricky.
Yeah.
The easier way is you wrap it tight in foil, you stick it in the oven for 90 minutes. That way it cooks, you get this really juicy, succulent ribs. Okay. Then we take it out, put it on the grill, and just let the outside get a little charred. And then we put some sauce on it that gets sticky and delicious. And amazing, yeah. All right, so could you pass me the foil? So we're gonna foil it. And you said 2 layers, right? We're gonna try and do 2 layers. Okay, so Olivia, you could go ahead and all this goodness. Can make sure and put it on the top. Right. Nice. Right, so we're going to quickly wrap this and put it into the oven, right? Yeah. What degree do you have it on in the oven? We have it 350 for 90 minutes.
For 90 minutes. All right, so we're going to put it into the oven now, guys, and we'll get back to it. Anthony, it's been an hour and a half, right? Yeah. And so it's time to reveal. Let's take out these ribs. Oh my God. You see all that juice? Juicy. It looks good. So we're ready for the grill now, right? So I'll bring this across here. Great. We have the lovely sauce here. It's simmered, really, reduced by half, and it looks amazing and thick and like really good. It looks like it'll taste like really good on it. All right, so we're gonna put it onto the grill now, right? Nice. Good. And then we'll come back, Anthony, and brush the sauce on, right?
That's it. Just gonna leave it to get a little sear first.
Okay, good. All right, cool. Right, so like I said in the beginning, guys, I have my friends over here. So we're gonna go with kebabs, and we have some corn and potato salad. We have the full works. All right, so we're gonna start with the potato salad, right, Lee? So I have Leah here. It's my friend Leah, and she's gonna make the potato salad today. Right, so what you having so far?
Mayo and just like a tablespoon of sugar.
A brown sugar?
Brown sugar.
Okay, good. All right, so I'll help you with the potatoes.
Thank you.
And what you have in the cans there?
We have cuisine, peas and carrots.
Okay, nice.
Perfect for potato salad.
Very good, very good. All right, so I'm just gonna help you do that. And then you can mix it in. You can go ahead and throw it in. I'm just gonna put a little so you're able to like mix it in first and then. Yum, this looks good already. All right, Kim, so what you have going on here?
We
We have here some garlic bread, and now about to add some parsley and garlic butter.
Okay, so I can help you with the salt and black pepper
Yeah.
again. I feel like I'm everybody's salt and black
Yeah.
pepper girl.
You're the sous chef today.
Yeah, yeah, I am. Hey Anthony, right. So you're gonna put the sauce, right? Ready for the sauce?
On the ribs, yeah.
Okay, nice.
They have a little char there.
Okay, great.
So we're just gonna use a brush and get a little base going on here.
Okay. Nice. And while we're here, I have my little brother JJ on the corn. So what do you have here, JJ? Some garlic butter?
Yes, we
Some
do over the corn.
Okay, great. And you're gonna put it on the grill, right? So I can help you here. And I'll put it on for you. So what you had? Some garlic, butter. What's that here? Parsley? Some fresh parsley?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So that's look good. Hey Jared and Shan, so what you have going on here?
We have some kebabs, some veggie, and some chicken.
Okay, nice. And you have some peppers you're gonna roast? Nice. Okay. That's okay, that's okay.
So right now Jared's putting on some soybean oil.
Uh-huh.
And we're gonna sprinkle it with some salt and black pepper.
Okay, nice. All right, so I'll help with the black pepper. See, I'm everybody's salt and black pepper grill.
Just a little bit some.
Oh, okay, okay. Ooh, this looks really good already, guys. Everyone, so we have the lovely spread here. Anthony, I must admit, these look divine. They're so sticky and juicy. You guys have to admit, the spread looks amazing, right? I'm so grateful that you guys are here to help me because it looks yummy. I can't wait to try it, right? Thanks to our viewers. Like I said, it's our final episode, so we wanted to go off with a bang, and I couldn't ask for anything more. I'm here with my friends and family, and I'm just enjoying everything. Thanks so much, guys, for the whole season. It was a blast. I love to hear from you as always. Right to our sponsors, Cuisine. We just want to say thanks again. Guys, it was so hot, I had to throw on my shades. The sun is really hot, but we have our glasses here. Yay. So cheers. Yay. Cheers to another season. And guys, that's the end of season 3. Until next time, guys. Bye. We're going to enjoy now.